Hey guys, this week I'm gonna be showing you a point of view of how quick it took me to make some ramen dinner. Obviously with prepared stock and all. Check the timing when I was editing this video, 20 minutes or a little right under, so not too bad. Let's get started.
Okay, so pre-measured some stuff, washed some stuff in advance because I knew. But most of this, as quick as I can do it. Wonder how quick it is actually, I'm curious. Most of the stuff is prepped already, so we're really just chopping up some ingredients for the soup or the stock base. So this is some stock, kind of Paitan. Not as crazy, of course. Is using leftover bones again, but just I was curious how fast I can actually whip up a meal. So we're gonna stir fry onions, scallions, some garlic. And see how quick I can actually get this meal done. Small onion. As always, save the bits. Don't want to waste anything. This basically gets remade into more stock anyway, so never a bad idea. Reducing waste is always a great thing in my opinion, so. I don't think I'm that good that I can concentrate on probably cutting compared to doing everything else at a time. Oh shoot, before I forget, might as well pump this into max to boil the egg first. See, I didn't do everything from scratch. So, induction stove, be super quick, especially with that little amount of water. So we can get started on that at the very least. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be chopping up these onions. So the egg's gonna take 7 minutes at the very least. Hopefully I can get everything else done. So this is done already. I guess grab a plate so I can chop other stuff in the meantime. No point waiting, I guess. So usually dinners like this, I don't go too crazy. I'm just cooking for myself. But, you know, curious how quote unquote fancy or delicious I can make it. Flavor wise, it'd be pretty good. Tested Tori, stock is stock. It's chicken stock, right? Nothing super crazy, but Tori is definitely gonna carry a lot of the flavor. It's one of the Tori videos I made in the past. The last ramen video I made at least. So, all right, perfect. Scallions are done. These are gonna be my topping. Protein wise, I have this pork chop I made, Viet style. Nice and quick, and already it's almost there. You see how quick induction is? Honestly, induction stoves, amazing. Easy cleanup. A lot of stuff done quickly too. So, meantime, make the stock a little bit fancier. Heat up my separate pot. Add a bit of schmaltz. Don't need too much because the Paitan's already pretty fatty. Don't have to go too crazy. See, already boiling. So I'm gonna put this down a little bit. My egg. And we're gonna boil for 7 minutes. And we'll cook the rest of our items while we wait. So, as you can tell, it's heating up. It's gonna be, once it's hot enough, we'll add in our aromatic base. And I guess we can prep some other things on the side. Let's see. We're gonna grab my noodles, of course. Now, I probably haven't mentioned this. I don't really make noodles anymore. It's a lot of work. So if I do make it, it's only probably for Sukemen or if I really want to just show off. But most of the time, I don't really do it anymore. It's mad effort. These dry ones are plenty good enough in my opinion. So this honestly makes the noodle fold a little easier, these wooden ones. Alright, so it's smoking. Good enough. Alright. Now we're gonna stir fry this aromatic paste. Do you need to do this? No, you do not, but I have a bunch of onions and scallions, so extra, you could say this is kind of like the aroma oil in a sense. So normally I don't measure out, but I wanted to test the Tori again for the ratios. So I measure out 300 grams of stock right here. Normally I just dump in a pint and it's good enough. So, because it's pretty hot, the onions and scallions and garlic gonna cook pretty quickly. You can see it's already pretty translucent. It's not too much. So we don't want to cook it too much, not too much browning. I'm gonna add in my stock. And perfect. Now we're gonna heat this up. Add a little bit of water, just to not waste anything. And there we go. Now that's cooking on the side. I'm just gonna give this a quick wash. Might as well, like washing things as we go. Since this was very basic, I'm not gonna use my dishwasher. Put things away while we wait for the rest. As you can see, it's an onion bag, leftover onion bag. Put in those onion peels, scallion peels that we used from before. Save it. Perfect. Dump in my freezer for next time. So for this, I'm gonna use the good old microwave. It's already cooked. It's just leftover. It's just extra protein. Level 7. And this is gonna slowly heat up while the egg cooks. Oh, I guess speaking of egg, I guess I could set up my ice bath for it. And I really wonder how quick all of this will be. Okay, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Heat up my bowl of ramen. I mean, not my bowl. My ramen bowl to keep it warm when we dump all our soup in. Just some water. Probably not gonna be the nicest egg. I didn't cover everything, but it's okay. No biggie. Oh, and yeah, the rest is just waiting, pretty much. Do some cleanup on the side. Put away some of my cleaned items. Yeah, honestly, ever since pandemic, went on a whole ramen binge, and I've gotten to a pretty good level. I wouldn't say I'm like an expert or anything, but enough to say that my ramen's pretty good. At least compared to even many of these, I would say, just chain ramen restaurants that have been popping up in New York. I don't really go to get ramen as often now, because one, it's expensive, because it's New York. And two, if I can make it better, that means, especially with minimal effort like today, why am I paying someone to do it? Besides the efforts. But at that point, you know, it has to be something surprising. And I'm not saying there aren't good ramen restaurants in New York. In fact, there are plenty. It's just one, pricey. And two, you know, I just don't go out as often. Things are expensive. So I'm trying to save more money by cooking in the first place. So this is pretty much coming to a boil. We're gonna keep this at a simmer. Meanwhile, our pork chop is done. take it out. Ooh, oh, it's hot. Oh. Okay. So, put our Tori in. Should be usually 2 tablespoons. Oh, I should take out the. I don't know why I've left this in there. Two tablespoons per bowl. A typical bowl is like around 300 milliliters of stock. A little under a pint, I'd say, but you know, everyone's different. Now that I make my own stock though, I'm not gonna lie, I do finish everything. I spent all this time, or I might as well try, right? So, all right, so looks like it's pretty good. Okay. Now it's time to put this in here. Hopefully it makes peeling easier. Now for the noodles. Noodles are around 3 minutes. So, pretty quick, I'd say too. You can do a little longer if you like, but I stick to package instructions. I mean, what am I saying? You can do a little shorter if you like it a little chewier. I think the package instructions are good enough. Sometimes I do it shorter if I do sukemen, but you know, actual real bowl this time. So, I'll bring this up to a rolling boil while we do the timer for this. Alright, rolling boil, and it's good. So, meanwhile, pour into our stock, our ramen bowl. Looks like a proper bowl, doesn't it? Honestly, it's just making the stock. Everything else is... to assemble the ramen, pretty quick. As long as you make the stock and the components. That's the thing that takes forever. Alright, so... might as well... oh, shoot, it's hot. Might as well cut this pork chop up. You know what? Might as well not waste. It's probably gonna contaminate the flavor a little bit, but it's okay. This pork chop juice, don't waste it. It's okay. And that, I'm gonna cut that up while I wait for this to boil. And so this chili oil I got from a farmer's market, I guess. Very good, delicious, very spicy actually, but it'll be good to serve alongside this ramen. So, I'm gonna cut up this pork chop. Alright. Probably not gonna use the full thing. If I want to plate it a little nicer, but you know, it's all good. I'll probably eat the end. So good. Can't go wrong with sous vide. Okay, so put this bowl closer here. Then we strain our noodles. Oh, in the meantime, get my nori ready. Okay. All right, it's pretty much getting there. I wish I had a little bit shorter wooden chopsticks, but this will do. The metal ones always slip when I grab these noodles. Or, you know, my chopstick skills are not as good as I want them to be, but all right. It's good. Turn this off. I'm gonna strain. Dump out the extra moisture. Try to get most of the noodles in a right proper position, so we can do a nice fold. All this just to be a little extra. Okay, let's see how good I have this one. Ooh, not bad. Pretty good. Oh, a little excess, but it's okay. Just quick rinse. All right, now to the side. So spread this out a bit. Oh, shoot. Probably not the best. Shoot. It's way harder than it looks. I don't know how that's why they probably only give you a slice or two, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, scallions. In the middle. Me being extra. Alright, last thing to do, crack the egg. Okay. So if I can peel this pretty good. Ooh. Okay. Came out not bad. Timing worked out. Despite not being fully submerged. Ooh, I don't know about that one, the bottom one. Bomb's a little maybe undercooked. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. Gotta peel this one extra careful near the bottom. What? Oh, pretty good. Okay. Rinse off in case any shells. Now we cut it. Nice, pretty jammy. And the nori. All right, shook it a bit. I think it should be good now. You want the burnt bits too, not just the oil. So I'm gonna try to dot it all throughout. Beautiful. Oh no, the nori, it's melting. Gotta take a photo quick, but hey, well, not long this took. We'll see when I start editing the video. I'm gonna take a quick thumbnail photo for this, and thank you guys for watching. I'll probably move this away. Thank you guys for watching. Ah no, the nori. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at WeCanCooks. Thanks for the support.